Do you know the secret on how Indian cloves natural power it have for treating these health problems? I chewed a few of these cloves and came up with wonderful results. After watching this video, right now start consuming cloves, you will be surprised with very exciting results to your health. Take pen and piece of paper and write everything down. Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell below this video. Kindly like and share this video to others and tell us from which city you are watching us from. Cloves are a great source of beta-carotene, which helps give them their rich brown color. The carotene family of pigments are important antioxidants and provitamins. Carotene pigments can convert into vitamin A, an important nutrient for keeping your eyes healthy. These are notable health benefits of cloves that you never know. Number 2, reduced inflammation. Cloves include multiple compounds that are linked to anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol is the most important of these compounds. Eugenol has been shown to reduce the inflammatory response in the body, reducing the risk of diseases such as arthritis and helping to manage symptoms. Number 3, fewer free radicals. Eugenol is also a potent antioxidant. Cloves are full of antioxidants. These compounds help your body to fight free radicals, which damage your cells and can lead to disease. By removing free radicals from your system, the antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce your risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Cloves can help protect your stomach from ulcers. Most ulcers are caused by thinning in the layers of mucus that protect your stomach lining. Preliminary studies show that cloves can thicken this mucus, lowering your risk of developing ulcers and helping existing ulcers heal. Number 4, improved liver function. Cloves may also promote better liver function. Some trials have shown that the eugenol found in cloves can help reduce signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. It may also improve general liver function. Number 5 is nutrition. Cloves provide a significant amount of the mineral manganese. Manganese helps your body manage the enzymes that help repair your bones and produce hormones. Manganese can also act as an antioxidant that protects your body from free radicals. So let us now learn the recipe to prepare cloves, but before we start, I remind you to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell, like and share this video to others. I will send you a special hug to the next video. Now let us know how to prepare it. Cloves come in both whole and ground form. However, their potency quickly fades once they've been ground. In order to keep their flavor strong, buy whole cloves and keep them in airtight containers until you want to use them. If you need ground cloves, you can grind them with a pepper mill so they remain as fresh as possible. You can also make clove tea if you're interested in getting a stronger dose of cloves. Now first of all, take a tablespoon of whole cloves and grind it. Then second step is to steep the powder in boiling water for 3 or 4 minutes. And finally, strain the spice out and you'll be left with a rich spicy tea that's perfect for winter months. Before you drink this clove tea, the following are the precautions to watch out for. The first precaution is drug interactions. Eugenol can sometimes interact with medication, such as warfarin. If you're on blood-thinning medication, avoid consuming clove oil or clove tea. It's relatively safe to consume smaller amounts of cloves as spice, though. The next precaution is hypoglycemia. Cloves may also affect blood sugar levels. In people with diabetes, eugenol can lower blood glucose counts to safe levels. However, in excessive amounts, cloves can cause hypoglycemia, where your blood sugar levels are too low. And the last precaution is essential oil toxicity. Clove essential oil contains a much higher dose of eugenol than whole or ground cloves do. Consuming pure clove oil can be toxic and lead to symptoms such as dizziness or even coma. Before leaving, I leave you this message: it is better to eat what your body need and stop eating what your heart need. You will live long, happily, and health life. Thanks for watching this video. Get in touch with us by subscribing this channel. Turn on the notification bell below. Then like and share our videos to others as many times as you can. Don't forget to visit our channel to watch more health videos. We are best natural remedy. Get ready for the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family.